Only 1% can solve this. What is the center of our solar system? Sun. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What galaxy do we live in? Milky Way. Which planet is the largest? Jupiter. What force keeps planets in orbit? Gravity. Which planet has rings? Saturn. What is the moon? Natural satellite. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What do we call a shooting star? Meteor. Which planet is known for its great red spot? Jupiter. What is a galaxy? Huge star group. Which planet is hottest? Venus. What do astronauts wear in space? Spacesuit. What is the Sun made of mostly? Hydrogen. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter. What is a comet made of? Ice and dust. Which planet spins on its side? Uranus. What is the name of Earth's galaxy arm? Orion arm. What causes day and night? Earth's rotation. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? Neptune. Body of space called. Astronomy. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus. What is a black hole? Area with strong gravity. What protects Earth from meteors? Atmosphere. Which planet has the shortest year? Mercury. What is the Sun classified as? Star. Which planet has blue color due to methane? Neptune. What causes tides on Earth? Moon. Which mission first landed humans on the moon? Apollo 11. What is the edge of a black hole called? Event horizon. Which planet has the longest day? Venus. What is interstellar space? Space between stars. What is a supernova? Star explosion. Which planet has the strongest winds? Neptune. What do we call small rocky objects in space? Asteroids. Which space telescope orbits Earth? Hubble. What is dark matter? Unknown mass. Which planet has icy rings? Saturn. What is the Big Bang? Origin of the universe. Which planet is called the morning star? Venus. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.